Hi everyone, for today's quick video I'm just going to show you how to assemble this card. Now somebody sent me a picture of one of these cards and asked me if I had a ScanNCut cutting file for it. And it was a bigger card, I think it was a 5x7. So I've created a ScanNCut cutting file for a 5x7 and for an A6 card. So when this folds up and goes together, it fits easily into one of our UK A6 envelopes. So I've already cut it and I've cut the pieces just to save some time. So I'm just going to use my glue. So in the cutting files you'll get the base card and you'll get all the matting layers, and this is one on here. I've inked, this is Balmy Blue, and I've just inked this with Balmy Blue ink just to give it a bit of shading, because I'm going to put a scallop circle in the middle, which I've cut on my ScanNCut. And again, I've just gone around that very lightly with blue ink. You can hardly tell. And then I've cut my little image from the Playing in the Rain stamp set, which is available in our January to May mini catalogue. I've also cut a piece of our Tahitian Tide glimmer card. Now, I just cut this with my trimmer, but everything else, all the other layers are in the cutting file. I know I'm using different blues, but the blue that's in the paper that goes with this set is Balmy Blue. But when I coloured my little rabbit in, I used Pacific Points because I've been doing a video on colouring and I just want to utilise it. So I've got various blues, but they will all work together. So I'm just going to stick down my little pieces onto the base cardstock. You could make extra layers if you want. These are about 1/4 of an inch total, smaller than the areas that they fit in on the card, but you know, you could always add some more in if you want to double layer. It's not something I do very often, I forget. I just kind of tend to think layer and, you know, create one layer, but double layering does look nice. This is going to go on here like so. And this paper's lovely as well. This is from the Playing in the Rain suite, and it's Balmy Blue, this, and it's got raindrops on it, but they look as though they've had like clear embossing put over them. So that's how it's looking now. I'm going to layer these two up together. Like so. Then that's going to stick on there. So obviously I have double layered this middle section, but as I say, the glitter or glimmer card I just cut with my trimmer, just 1/4 of an inch smaller than the Balmy Blue piece, which is in the cutting file. Now I'm going to layer these up. So I'm going to layer my little rabbit up on dimensionals and then dimensional that into the middle. So as I say, these will be cutting files that will be in my Stampin' Up shop by the time you see this video. So I'm just going to pop that on there like so. And as I say, there will be two different sizes. I've no idea what this card is called because, as I say, somebody sent it to me and asked me if I had a ScanNCut cutting file for it. So I think I'll probably just call it something like Centre Panel Fun Fold. And I'm going to pop him on there. And then what you could also do, you could cut pattern paper for this bit as well if you want, which I've not done. But basically how it'll stand like so. You can write on the back, and how this works, it folds in and then that folds over it. So it all will, as I say, go down into a UK A6 envelope. So I'm just going to bring in some blue sparkle embellishments like so. I've got some blue baker's twine. This is in the 2022 to 2024 in colours. So I think I'm just gonna, this is Tahitian Tide, I'm gonna cut a longish length, double it over and tie a bow. So just make like a double bow down. I might make it a little bit smaller. This is another thing I forget to use a lot as well. Ribbons and trims, and I've got it, you know, I don't know why I don't use it. So I could put a little bow, maybe just on the top like so. See if I've got a glue dot. Put a couple on it just to make sure it holds. These glue dots are from an old kit. I've got a couple of glue dots there, and then pop my little bow, tidy up my desk. So there's my card, as I say, stands, and then you just tuck one side in, tuck the other side in, and it will pop into a regular envelope. So I hope you like the project. As I say, the cutting file is available in the ScanNCut cutting file shop here on my Apple Lover 53 website. If you do use it, you're more than welcome to post pictures in the forum. There's a link again on my website to the forum, or if you post them on social media, just tag me, Apple Lover 53. I'd love to see what you're making. I've been cutting and colouring lots of the little cute animals from this Playing in the Rain stamp set. And I've done a video showing how to colour them in with different media. So I just thought that I would make this card and put this in the post to somebody. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.